My name is Muhammad Nazrin bin Abdul Azizi with metric number 1377114. Okay, today I will present about my final year project presentation, which is Konvoi tracker with a project code NS20210099. Okay, so for the background project, firstly, let me explain first. What is this application for? Okay, what is Konvoi? Konvoi is a group of vehicle, whether car or motorcycle or etc. Um, to convoy with many people, many members. So for my application is will be focused on motorcycle. Alright. In Malaysia, we have a lot of motorcycle convoy event that going to uh, convoy to certain part in Malaysia, or some of them are going to even to Thailand. Obviously, before this COVID situation, when COVID come, there's a lot of roadblock here and there. But if someday we can go out like usually again, here my application will be useful for convoying using motorcycle. Okay. Convoy is in Malaysia style consists of marshal and member. Convoy is fun when there is no problem or issue occur. But when uh, we as a human being, we must have some issue occur. So what we can do is we can reduce the issue, or we can handle it with efficiently. So this project is going to create a mobile application for motorcycle convoy. Alright. So the problem segment for my um, application is there is no a platform to conduct a small or big event of convoy, and they do not know the estimate time of arrival on destination, and do not know the distance between the riders in the convoy group, and hard to communicate with the marshal when unexpected thing happen. So the proposed solution that I made for this application is the application allow marshal to create event in this application, and the application will calculate and show the estimate time arrive on destination, and the application will calculate the distance between rider based on GPS position, and the application have a various button for member to click when anything unexpected thing happen. So the objective of this project is to improve the quality of convoy experience by providing efficient convoy rider management and convoy riding history. And next is to provide a riding status updates between riders and marshal in real time. And lastly, to produce the platform that allow communicate between riders even while riding motorcycle with only single tap. Okay, here is my module diagram. I have a three module and 10 sub-module. There, the three module is event module, communication module, and map and navigation module. So under the event module, I have a sub-module which is create event convoy, predefined checkpoint and main destination, alert of event, save riding history, and under communication module, request to stop button, and under map and navigation module is display motorcycle position and distance, alert as seat limit distance, display motorcycle speed, and record distance and time travel so far, and estimate time of arrival. So here my architecture diagram, and as you can see, user, which is marshal and member, will be using the mobile application that have a connection to the mobile network to connect to the application server that can connect to the Firebase database, which is I using the Firebase authentication and real-time database Firebase authentication to store the login detail of the user, and the real-time database is using to store the data of rider status. All right, for the conclusion is I hope this convoy tracker application is all in one motorcyclist convoy that can perform many functionalities and can provide a benefit to rider for a smooth ride during convoy. And Marshall can plan the convoy successfully. All rider can communicate easily with each other, and rider can save convoy moment history in the application. Okay, I'm going to the project demo. Okay, user verification. Okay, verified. Okay, you can see here is no event, no event yet. So click the button below to create a new convoy. And here history not saved yet. Okay, so I'm going to create a new convoy. So here name is convoy Merdeka. Okay, I pick tomorrow and time okay. Okay, here I'm key in the Butterworth. Here I think and uh, here okay, I click the create convoy and you can see the user and I click my name here. Okay, I click the tick button and it's created the convoy. And for the alarm, as you can see, it show the convoy Merdeka you convoy tomorrow on 421. Because for the alert of event convoy, I click one day before for the rider to prepare for the tomorrow convoy. Okay, as you can see here, this is my email that I create. So it will be the Marshall, and this the other user, and this is the name of convoy. This is date, this time, starting point, checkpoint 2, checkpoint 3, and destination point, Stadium Merdeka. And we I click the starting convoy here. It shows that my current location here, and the speed, as you can see, if I change, it show the ms per second, m per second, meter per second. Okay, wait, I will register one more phone to show the other user in the application. Okay, you can see here is two user in the same location. If I click is have a name. Okay, so for the message button you see but below here, stop button, emergency button, and petrol button. If user click the button, user it will show in here. For example, I click in my other phone to notify this marshal. I click stop button. It show the Nazrin requested to stop at 16:23. So it means his request to stop at the 4:23 p.m. And if I click the other button, emergency button, it show Nazrin is requested to emergency stop at 16:23. And if petrol button, and Nazrin is requested to petrol pump stop at the 16:24. The video that I made for testing the map module, because for this module I required me to test using riding the motorcycle with my friend, one of my friend, to test with me. Okay, for now, it show the distance travel here. This is the distance travel that this motorcycle have going so far. It show the 141 meter, and the distance limit no, it indicate that distance limit of these two rider not exceed the limit, and this is the time taken uh, that uh, rider have uh, going so far, and this is the estimate. This is the speed for the motorcycle. It show 22 km/h. As you can see this button here, if you click here, it show the meter per second, but in Malaysia we will use the km/h. So here you see the estimate time of arrival. It show 1 minute because of that uh, from here until here is calculate that 1 minute based on the 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 speed that I currently riding the motorcycle. You can see the speed is decreasing because of this junction. And now my speed is 30 km/h. And distance travel now is 300 km. Okay, here the roundabout at the Queens Bay. Okay, here you can see my speed is 0 kilometer because I want to distance with my friend to test this distance limit is accurate or not. So in my system I set the distance limit is 50 meter. So my friend is moving forward, and this it show here distance limit is yes. It show that the yes is exceed the limit distance. Okay, after I get this, I continue my motorcycle. Okay, here I'm arrived at the Queensway Mall, and it show the distance limit is no because I'm closer to my friend. Okay, that's it for this video. Okay, now I show the real application. Okay, after I finish the convoy, I click the button finish here, and it will showing in the history. It show that I have completed the convoy with data, date, time, butterword, starting point, checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2, checkpoint 3, destination, list of member. And alright, that's all for my demo.